Hey crescents, I hope you're all doing amazing. In today's hair tutorial, we are going to be using this Italian curls hair, and this is how I have prepped my hair for this hairstyle. I like doing this before because it makes my work very easy. You guys already know it's never easy to work with this natural hair. So yeah, let's do this.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild.
I wanted to try something different this time round with this Italian curls hair. The last time I did a crochet hair and it was very cute. It lasted me a very long time and it was beautiful and the curls were still out there shining. So this time around I just decided, you know what, let's try something different. So we are braiding and we are trying the boho look of it. I'm trying that because the curls are long lasting and they are not going to fade away easily. So I'm going to try that on this video and see how this hairstyle like behaves. I've not seen people doing the boho version of this hairstyle. I've just seen people doing the braids, plain braids. So for mine, I just decided, you know, let's do this. Let's do the boho look and see how it goes. So I hope you guys will love this hairstyle. I'll just show you in a bit how I'm starting off the braid from start to finish because I've not showed you that yet. So yeah.
Never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night.
So for this hairstyle, I decided I don't want to go medium or large size. I wanted to do like small sizes. So I was just picking a small piece of hair like this and then dividing it into two. I was starting off with the method that I always show you guys while braiding. I start with the rolling method because I feel like that's how I grip my roots because I'm braiding my hair by myself. So I grab it that way. And yes, guys, as I grab the hair by the roots, I'm braiding and then pulling a little bit of hair from the side. And that's how I'm leaving my curls, like just like this. I'm pulling a small piece like that, holding it with my mouth, and then I'm proceeding to braid the rest of the hair, and that's how I'm creating the boho look. I'm doing that twice or thrice per braid, but mostly I did twice.
Wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be.
As I continue braiding, I'm trying my very best to cover my natural hair with this hair extension. You can see me trying to like wrap my hair inside this hair extension, and that's to make sure that I get the smoothest and the cleanest results, guys, because I don't want my natural hair showing up on top of this hair, and that will look very bad. So I don't want that, guys. So if you are going to do your hair without straightening your hair and you're working with your natural version of your hair, make sure that you are trying to cover your natural hair with the hair extension. So as I continue braiding, I'm pulling out the second piece of hair, and you just need to pull a very tiny piece like I am doing so that it doesn't look again weird and not the cutest results. So yes guys, that's how I am doing this, and then we are going to see how I am finishing it off, because if you don't finish off this hairstyle right, it will unravel. The craziest thing that you don't want to experience is the unraveling part. So yeah.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shot from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
After working on my hair for 2 days, but not 2 full days, guys, we have the results. I'm in love, because what? Who is this? Who is this? Did you see this person at the beginning of the video? No, I didn't. Let's style the hair, guys. Style number 1, it's giving elegant. It's giving I'm on serious business. It's giving cutesy and very demure. Period. I'm loving this hair. I'm loving this hair. Style number 2. Oh my gosh. Let's go for a brunch. I don't want to stress. I'm just a girl. Yes. You guys, I've done so many hairstyles in this YouTube channel, but this is my number 1. I've said it. It's my number 1. The curls are giving. Yo. Style number 3. Let's just do a bun and confuse them, because this is not the same hairstyle as yesterday's hairstyle. Yes. Style number 4. We are not doing too much. It's giving official, serious. Yeah. Style number 5. Oops. 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 Style number 6. If you love a little bit too much in front, you got it, girl. Pull them. Pull them. Yes. You guys, comment down below what you think about this hairstyle, because I love it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, y'all.